GCSE Edexcel paper from 2023, 19th of May. And we start off with 8.46 divided by 0.15, so just times them both by 100. So you get 846 divided by 15. 15 goes into 84. Not 6 times, 5 times, I'm assuming, and that's 75, so that's 96. Is that right? So 5 times that is 50, yeah, that's 96. And that would be, 5 would go into that 6 times. And then that would give us 6 over and 60, so that's 0.4. So that's 56.4. You can always just check these using a calculator, but you can't really while you're actually doing it. So I'm just checking that I haven't done anything weirdly wrong. Oh, 8.46. Try that again. Divided by 0.15 equals... Yeah, that's fine. So you don't need to do anything with that because as long as you keep them in proportion, you're good. Right, work out this and give your answer as a mixed number. So that 7 times 8 is 56, plus 3 is 59 over 8. And then minus 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5 over 2. And then we just need to make the bottom 8 for both, because 2 goes into 8 4 times, so we'll do that. If 2 goes into 8 4 times, then we times the top by 4 as well. That makes that 20. And our answer is 39 over 8. But they want it in a mixed number, which is slightly ridiculous. So divide 8 in, and you get 4, and you get 7/8 left. So that's 4 and 7/8. Lovely. Now, a cube has a total surface area of 150 centimetres squared. Now, a cube has 6 sides, and each of those sides has the same area. So that means in order to find out the area of one side, we will divide 150 by 6, and that gives us 25 centimetres squared. So that means that if a face is 25 centimetres, that means a side is the square root of 25, which is 5 centimetres. And to find out the volume, we do a side times a side times a side, which is 5 cubed, which you should all know is 125 centimetres cubed. Lovely. Now, this shows information about daily rainfall in a town for 60 days. And we have to draw a frequency polygon for this. Now, I wasn't sure, but fortunately the person I was teaching yesterday told me I take the midpoint of these. So 7.5, 12.5, 17.5, and 22.5, and then just literally put in the points. And then I think you just connect them at the end of it. So 7.5 and 24. I don't quite know what exactly this is trying to tell us. 12.5 and 13, 17.5 and 11, and then just make sure you put the plot the points in the right place, and then join them up. And you don't join them up, I don't think, with a particularly... I think you can actually not do it in a fluid way, in the way that you would do something else. Right. Here we have 1 to 10. A is odd numbers, B is square numbers, and complete the Venn diagram for this information. So I'll just write down what the square numbers are. They're 1, 4, and 9. And 1 and 9 will go in the middle because they're also odd numbers. So 1, 9. Then pop your other odd numbers into A. So that's 3, 5, and 7. And then pop 4 in there, and then just go 2, 6 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Oh, and 10 goes on the outside. Make sure you do that. Find the probability that this number's chosen at random. Find the probability that this number is in the set of not B. So not B means you get rid of everything that's in B. So anything that's in B doesn't count. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers on the outside, so it's 7 out of 10. Okay, number 6, this scatter graph shows information about the ages and weights of some babies. So it does look as though generally as they get bigger, or as they get older, they get bigger. So describe the relationship between the age and weight of babies. Well, it's there's a positive correlation. Some might say that it is a strong positive correlation. And I think that would be reasonable. You could also say that they are in direct proportion. All of those are perfectly reasonable things to say. Right, I don't know if you could say as they get older they get bigger, but that's basically what's implying. Another baby has a weight of 5.8 kilograms. Use the scatter graph to find an estimate for the weight of this baby. So I would say that the line goes through, I'm not going to do that, so it goes that way, and I would go down here, I think, about 3.2. I'm not sure it's a completely fine art. Right, the price of a holiday increases by 20%. This 20% increase adds 240 to the price of a holiday. Work out the price of a holiday before the increase. So that means 0.2 of x equals 240. So that means x divided by 240 divided by 0.2. Another way of saying that is 240 divided by 1/5. And that means 5 times 240, because it's keep flip change, which is 1200.